Broccoli tossed with red onion and chickpeas oven roasted, then drizzled with the tahini and orange sauce. Okay, this time I mean it. Like, no, I mean, I really mean it. Wait until you try our oven roasted broccoli with orange tahini drizzle. If you're watching this thinking this looks kind of familiar, you're partially right. It might be reminding you of our famous chicken piccata sheet pan dinner or our This Is Not potato salad. Same thing here, where we're making a 100% vegetarian side dish on a sheet pan, same method, but we're finishing this with a 5-ingredient drizzle. Watch this. Oven is preheated to 425 degrees. 1 pound of broccoli florets cut into bite-sized pieces in a bowl. I'm adding half of a red onion, very thinly sliced, plus 1 can of protein-packed chickpeas. The chickpeas are drained, then rinsed in cold water. Those 3 ingredients go into the bowl. I'm adding 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, half a teaspoon kosher salt, and a sprinkle of chili flakes. Give everything a toss, spill it out onto a baking sheet, transfer it to the oven, and oven roast for 20 minutes. We're gonna toss after 10. If you like really crispy veg, just roast your veggies for 15 minutes instead of the 20. While the veggies are roasting though, we're still gonna make that little something drizzle to put on top. So when the veggies come out of the oven, you're gonna see how fantastic this is. Let's take the canister of an immersion blender. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of orange juice. If you want to do freshly squeezed, all the better. Then we're adding a 1/2 cup of tahini. Then 1 or 2 cloves of garlic. I recommend you go with 2. I'm then adding 1 tablespoon of maple syrup and 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. We're gonna zip everything together, noting you could add a little bit of cold water if you like a thinner drizzle. We think this one is perfect as is. I often say this veggie side dish is our easiest. I really mean it. The veggies are done. We're gonna bring the tray out of the oven. We're gonna drizzle with that sauce. You can serve this straight from the tray, or if you want, transfer to a platter and serve it from there. It's up to you. I know you're gonna wanna make this ASAP, so I've listed the recipe up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video and many more on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then finally, when you make this gorgeous side dish, take a picture of it and post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekendatthecottage when you do on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Oven roasted broccoli with orange tahini drizzle. Delicious, easy, healthy, pretty yummy too. Enjoy. Oh, so good, perfect.